Uh, Hi, team. Good morning to each and every one of you on this video now. I want to personally say good morning to you as I'm talking to you personally right now. I am Dr. Sahu again, Dr. Sahu Sankarshan Sahu. Uh, Again, I'm back on the mission. In fact, I was always there in the mission. So there was some challenges in the past 10, 20, 25 days. So we could strongly come out of it very without any much damage done to anyone in this system. So no doubt the Jeep Compass, first Jeep Compass, has gone on to smash. It has got it is going to go for total loss and scrap. So that kind of, so we are going to have another better vehicle. So God has a plan. I appreciate it. So I am again back on the job. My health also. There's a cut inside the nose and top. So I'm so that is the nose bones fractured here again. Ribs also, fourth, fifth, and second rib got fractured. So now that also getting healed. About I feel like it is already healed 95%. 90% to ho gaya hoga, I believe, and I am absolutely feeling 100% right now, because I am on a mission. The mission has to succeed, and this mission has already succeeded. Why I'm telling you, it is success comes two times, once in your mind and another in your physical being. So when it is coming into the pages, I always say, when it is there in the pages, it can come into the stages. So this is a special short call for director in qualification, DIQ Dubai calling hundreds team जोटा कि डायरेक्टर्स 90 days रो गोटे चैलेंज नहीं कि जीवा आम बर्तमान देखा कौन है माने समस्ते कहते हो पड़ी सतरे हो पड़ी. तो वी विल ऑल्सो चेज दैट गोल of 90 days directors. We are getting ready with all the tools are ready. About 40 different kind of branded tools we are, Crowd1 Game One is generating, and you love to wear all those. You love to be around those gadgets and those merchandises of Crowd1 Game One and Crowd1, and we becoming financial independent. We are going to really dominate the social media space, Facebook's page, YouTube page. Even in then 15 to 30 days time, we are going to really disrupt the social media platform with our crowd activities and Crowd1 activities in different forms. So we are getting ready to hit this massive target. We are getting ready with the tools, the softwares, and the back-end technical things to be handled. Everything is being handled. The studios are being set. Professional studio we are setting up for taking our education, our training to thousands and thousands and thousands of people down the line. We have great team working on it, about a core team of about 18 people. Now we are 21 people in this support team are working day in day out for creating the concrete plan and tools and tackles to run and to succeed. We are almost ready because of some little we have another technical the social media who will be leading us. She was also into little challenge. Her husband got into accident. So no matters, these all little small challenges, hurdles coming. It is for good only. And we are all ready, my dear friends, my dear directors, my dear एस्पायरिंग डायरेक्टर्स. सी आई ऑलवेज से कि आपको पहले दिमाग में बनना पड़ेगा डायरेक्टर, उसके बाद आप फिजिकली बनोगे, बैक ऑफिस में आपका नाम आएगा. तो पहले तो फिजिकली आपको डायरेक्टर बनना है, मतलब मेंटली. तो इसलिए आपने डिक्लेयर किया कि मैं डायरेक्टर हूँगा. और वो भी 90 days में. Let us play the game. And I'm excited. And one more thing I want to tell you, I am going to come often now. I want to really request Think and Grow Rich book. Think and Grow Rich book has to be purchased. समस्त को purchase करने पे पड़िबो. ओडिया, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, whatever format रे. And को completely जो 15टा chapter अच्छी सेटा को पढ़िया पे पड़ियो. That is our textbook for this success. Every college school has a textbook for every curriculum. So we have also a textbook which is is for this school for achieving this 90 days. This textbook is called Think and Grow Rich, which is an established. It has established more than 500 billion years by going with this strategies and action plans outlined in this Think and Grow Rich book. I really request each and every one of them. ମୁଁ ଏଇ ବହିକୁ कम से कम 8 थर कि 9 थर पढ़लेनी. I can show you in my book. I have written it here also. See when I wrote, you can see the pencil. When I wrote first, read second. So this is what I want to do. This book has to be समस्त को परचेस करने पे पड़िबो. ए टेक्स्ट बुक को डेली पढ़िया पे पड़ो. एई बहिरु ही मोर जो डेली क्लास हबो, हमरो जो डेली ट्रेनिंग हबो, ए बहिरु ही हबो जोटा कि हमर डायरेक्टली इंपैक्ट करिवो हमर बैंक अकाउंट को. Directly impact, this book will directly impact our bank account. So now when that is getting ready, please buy the book and start reading once, twice, thrice. Start reading. Another thing I want to really stress upon here, we are selecting. The selection has to happen in a survey. So we have two different kind of surveys that is happening. One 7-point survey and one is 55-point survey. I have already received about 69 people responded to this surveys. I request all of you, many people are not able to know also, समझ में नहीं आ रहा, ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. So please, once we are touching 100, I am going to talk to every one of you personally right now. I'm going to call every one of you, those who are going to really speak. I can understand by calling you whether you are a part of Crowd1, this 100 directors energy or not. No matters. If you are not ready, it doesn't matter. It's not for all. You will be ready for the next batch. We will be conducting 100 batches like this. And a lot of our tools like this, these ID cards and this visiting cards, the t-shirts, caps, passport pouches, banners, danglers, pens, everywhere we are going to have pads, everywhere we are going to have, and all standees, everything is ready now. Now, we are launching now. Please go through समस्त kindly. I am requesting you वो 7-point and 55-point वाला जो information sheet है उसको fill up करके, so that I can know कि whom I have to talk to, whom I have to work with. That's more important. So because now we किसका हमने वो फेसबुक पेज बनाना है, किसका, और फेसबुक को हमने अपने को ऑडिट करके देखना है कैसे क्या होगा, कैसे हो सकता है. So this is a very specific work. This is a very focused work. So we want people those are serious to come on the board. Director in qualification in next 90 days time. It is a 90 days program. If you miss this time, no matters. Next 90 days you start. We may this program for second batch we are not talking about now. We don't know when it is, but first work is our first priority to take them to the goal of director. So please listen to this video and please send it to each and every one of your team members. Ask them to listen to this video. So to get ready for the massive change, massive money coming into your life. I'm again and again telling, डायरेक्टर बनने का मतलब है 3 महीने में 50 about 5 million 50 lakh people earning, and absolutely it is we have already done it. So which is possible. So उसको किया जा सकता है. उसलिए for that you need to give 24 hours a day, not 10 hours a day. 24 hours a day, खाते पीते सोते जागते. You need to be only talking about, thinking about Crowd1 and your goal directors, DIQ. So you are in director in qualification. So there are many things I'll be sharing in between. We are ready. We are getting ready with all the tools and tech. We are not sitting idle. Entire office is operating. Our office started very professional setup has been done in Acharya Bihar, Bhubaneswar. You can come in. You can just visit our office. We are creating we are creating multiple studios. for our YouTube videos, and we are going to play big in social media now: Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagrams, LinkedIn, and all these guys do in Spotify. They do in Netflix. We will start working with those industry very closely. Now we have got a special setup team for handling this social media, this thing, digital enterprise work. So that's all. I think the video should get getting long. Get ready, all of you. Get ready. So I'm again going to call you personally before we move to the next step. So please read the book Think and Grow Rich. Buy it today. If you don't have, buy Odia, buy Hindi, buy English, buy all three versions. I am buying three. You can compare with English and Hindi. I mean, you can understand more. So you order it. This is a set. Only 100, 200, 300 bucks. All right. So this is how I want to say thank you again to each one of you. I'm for praying, for thinking about me during my hard times during my this last 20 days of mishap with Jeep's Compass. I love my Jeep. We are going to have bigger Jeep. I'm working up with this case. So now we have to go to the next step. Let's see what is going to be the next step. Let's look. I look forward. I want you to personally WhatsApp me. You just WhatsApp me personally so that I start interacting with you and I start knowing yes, you are the one who is in. So my WhatsApp number is 911 440 4444. 911 440 4444. This is my WhatsApp number. Please come back. Come with me फॉर दिस ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी. 100 डायरेक्टर को लेके जाना है तो मतलब कितना मज़ा आएगा. सोचो आप कितना करने वाले हैं हम लोग. ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड घूमने वाले हैं सब लोग मिलके. 100 डायरेक्टर मतलब आप सोच नहीं सकते क्या एनर्जी होने वाला है. लव यू डार्लिंग्स. थैंक यू वेरी मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू. एंड टुडे इज व्हाट इज द डे? 17th of July 2021. This is Saturday. This afternoon and this morning I'm talking to all of you. Let us catch up again. Love you. Bye bye. And crowd one.